Welcome everybody to Let's Get Skilled Academy, and this is another video of our YouTube clone build. And in this video we're going to be focusing on writing our markup and our styling for our iron selector. So without any further ado, let's go into it. So yeah guys, in this video we will be coding the iron selector. So what I want you guys to do is, I want you guys to head over to the Replit platform and let's start coding. Okay, let me just stop the server quick. So yeah guys, this is where we last stopped with the YouTube paper items and the paper icons. So I want you to head over to the index.html. Let me make it bigger for you guys and just hide this. So after the nav, you're gonna create a div and give it a class of main content. Close the div. Inside of main content, you're gonna give it another div, the class iron selector. Inside of the iron selector, we wanna create an unordered list and create we copy this and paste it a couple of times. Here we will have use live music gaming animated films and camping. Novels and game shows. We save. So now what we can do is we can head over to the styles.css and let's go look at how it looks. Super. We have it here at the bottom, so we're just gonna add some styling to it. So let's scroll down and access domain, display flicks, domain content. We want to give it a width of 100. Of 100%, margin left, give it 12 pixels, and a height of 90, view height, overflow on the y-axis. We scroll, and now we can style our iron selector. Iron selector. Give it the height of 56 pixels and the padding of 12 pixels and 24 pixels. Save. And now what we now want to do is we want to style the unordered list. So it's going to say iron selector. It's going to say display flicks and align items to center. Save. Let's look at it. Super. So now we're gonna style the list items in the unordered list. So let's say iron selector, URI, ULI, and then we want to give it font width of 500, and then a line height of 2 rem and padding of 0 pixels and 12 pixels and a margin left of 12 pixels. So let's press Control and save. See how it looks. Super, it's actually now displaying. So what we now want to do is we just want to create the active class. So in our index, that's how it, we're gonna give it a class for all. Give it a class of active. Press Control save and let's head over to the styles. Active. Give it the background background color of black, and color of white, and the border radius of 8 pixels. Let's save it over to our clone. Let me save this quick. And super, as you guys can see, we now created our iron selector, and in the next video we're gonna be creating the promo banner.